In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Ads suspension and unsuspend your account, allowing you to reactivate your advertising campaigns in just 5 minutes. If your Google Ads account has been suspended, it's usually due to a violation of their policies such as payment issues or unauthorized activity. Don't worry, by following these steps, you'll be on your way to reactivating your account swiftly and efficiently. First up, you'll need to head over to the Google Ads page. You can find this simply by typing Google Ads into your search engine, or you can visit ads.google.com directly. Once there, you'll see the homepage dedicated to helping businesses reach more customers and understand how their ads are performing. It's also where you'll manage your own advertisements. Next, you'll want to sign in. There's usually a sign in button on the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll enter your account details. Make sure to use the credentials for the account that is currently suspended so you can manage the necessary changes. After successful login, you'll find yourself on the Google Ads home interface. This is your hub for all things related to your ad campaigns. From here you can monitor your ads, explore analytics, and most importantly address any account issues such as suspensions. Now that you're on the Google Ads home dashboard, locate and click on the billing section. This is usually in the menu on the left side of the interface. The billing section is crucial because many account suspensions occur due to payment related problems. By visiting this section, you'll be presented with detailed information about any outstanding balances or other account issues that need your attention. Within the billing section, you'll need to look for an option called Advertiser Verification. Clicking on Advertiser Verification will guide you through Google's verification process. This step is designed to confirm the legitimacy of your account and is a key requirement in resolving suspensions associated with incorrect or incomplete information. As you navigate through advertiser verification, make sure to follow each prompt accurately. This might involve providing business details such as your business address and contact information. Follow the instructions to ensure all the required information is accurate and up to date. Any discrepancies can delay the unsuspension process, so attention to detail is significant here. Once you've completed the verification process and addressed any outstanding billing issues, your account will typically be reviewed by Google. This may take some time, so it's important to be patient. You'll be notified via email once the review is complete and your account is reinstated. By carefully following these steps, you'll increase your chances of successfully removing your Google Ads suspension. Reactivating your account means you can go back to reaching your advertising goals, engaging new customers, and growing your business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.